everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use design libraries in Wix Studio. Design libraries let you save color palettes, typography styles, and design sections, so you can reuse them across any site in your workspace. This is a huge time saver and helps keep your designs consistent. Let's dive right in. First, sign into your Wix Studio account and open the site you want to work on. To access your design libraries, click the Wix Studio icon at the top left, hover over Tools, then click Libraries. This opens the Libraries panel, where you can see all your existing libraries. To create a new library, click Create New Library. You can choose what to include from your current site: typography, colors, assets, or all three. Give your library a clear name and click Create. You can also turn on sharing if you want teammates to access this library. Now let's save your site's color and typography styles to a library. Open the Site Styles panel. Click on Colors or Typography, then click the Design Libraries button. Select Save Colors to Library or Save Typography to Library. Choose your library and click Save. To save a section or element as an asset, right-click on it and select Save as Asset. Enter a name, then choose which library to save it to from the Add To dropdown. You can also create a new library right here by clicking Create New Library. To reuse your saved designs, click Add Elements on the left side of the editor, then click the Assets tab. Here you'll see saved assets for this site only, plus any design libraries in your account. Click on a library to see its contents. When using assets from a library, you can choose which colors and typography styles to apply. This library uses the styles saved in the library, or Site Styles uses the styles you defined for this site, automatically adapting the design to your current look and feel. To manage your libraries, go back to the Libraries panel via the Wix Studio icon. Click the More Actions icon under any library to open it, duplicate it, hide it on the current site, or delete it. Deleting a library does not affect existing sites that already use its assets. That's how you use design libraries in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.